Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're going to talk about this setup. This is an invisible wireless microphone system for the Insta360 One R 360 build. As you can see, with my setup, you're gonna have high quality sound in your 360 videos without any microphone. My name is Yuqing, a 360 photography lover and specialize in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master a one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. So let's make it simple. What do you need to have an invisible microphone setup for the 360 build? First, you're gonna need a One R with a 360 mod. I recommend you can choose this ulanzi metal cage, and I have put my personal review about this metal cage in this link, and you can find everything about this metal cage on my YouTube channel. When you put your Insta360 One R 360 build inside this metal cage, this official lens cap is still working well with this setup. Next up, this microphone adapter. Another accessory you need for this setup is Type-C to TRS microphone adapter. For the wireless microphone, I use the Ceremonic Blink 500. For selfie stick, you can choose the Insta360 invisible selfie stick or any other selfie stick you want, such as this very fantastic, the Bushman cedar pole, okay? And the most tricky part about this setup is this adapter. This adapter, it has a 1/4" mount, which you can connect your selfie stick on the top, and on the bottom you can connect the power bank handle or a mini tripod so that you can put your setup on the desktop. That has an extension arm with a cold shoe mount all around this accessory, so that you can see there's a cold shoe mount all over the body, and you can rotate to the best orientation. And this accessory is called the ulanzi PT/3. This ulanzi PT/3 to finally make this invisible wireless microphone system possible for the Insta360 One R 360 build. I would like to put this cold shoe mount in this orientation to align this cold shoe mount with the selfie stick. And you can see I will put my Ceremonic receiver right inside this cold shoe mount. If you look at this orientation, you can see everything was located in the stitching area. Because this One R 360 mod is a little bit thicker compared with its predecessor, the Insta360 One X. So the stitching area for this lens module is bigger than the One X. So we can put something that is larger inside the stitching areas. And that is the tricky part for this setup. We can put this microphone receiver right inside this stitching area. So finally, you will get invisible with the stitching algorithm. And you can also a live preview with your setup. With the 360 mod, we have a fantastic flow state stabilization. So you can take a very interesting shot with your everyday life. I will show you this real-world example. And you can see now the nadir part is very clean, very tidy. It's very clean. There is nothing at the nadir. Only my hand holding the selfie stick. Okay, we are now recording, vlogging with the invisible setup finally. Okay, it's totally invisible, right? And once you are out with your friends, you can vlog like this and reframe, and after that you will have an invisible wireless microphone. Actually, I'm now recording with this Insta360 360 mod with this lavalier microphone under my neck, right? Oh, you can clearly see the interesting result of the invisible microphone setup for the 360 mod. And that is all what I need to capture this invisible microphone effect. You can see a little bit of the microphone in this part, but the microphone will be gone if you extend this microphone system, and there will be nothing in the nadir part. With my setup, you can see you can enjoy your daily life, your travel, and vlog with yourself with very high sound quality. And you can also take the advantage of the log mode for this camera. So the final dynamic range, the image quality can be even better. Now I'm walking near my house in the early morning. There are flowers around my house. As you can see right there, this beautiful flowers, and even we can record with very good sound quality. We can even run because the stabilization is also great, and you can only get such great stabilization with 360 camera. So that is all about this setup. It's a ulanzi metal cage, Type-C to TRS microphone adapter, thermal Blink 500, and ulanzi PT/3. It's cold shoe mount adapter. It's Insta360 invisible selfie stick, and you can use the power bank handle or a mini tripod to put this setup on your table. The key part for the invisible wireless microphone system for the 360 mode is to put everything you want in the stitching area and try to make it invisible in your final video. And it's not very heavy. It can help you take a long-term vlog in your daily life. That is all for this video. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.